favorite Jacqueline's Diamond. And the rough early lead is taken by Jacqueline's Diamond. Westerner on the outside. My wife knows all. When it rains, it pours, and Blaster is bringing up the rear. Nearing the far turn, it's Jacqueline's Diamond by 2.5 lengths. Westerner on the outside in second, and my wife knows all moving up on the inside. And running in fourth is When It Rains, It Pours. And now the last bend for home. It is still Jacqueline's Diamond by 3.5 lengths, followed by entry number 1, My Wife Knows All. Westerner running in third and closing in fourth. When It Rains, It Pours. At the top of the stretch, it is still the favorite Jacqueline's Diamond by 3.5 lengths, followed by My Wife Knows All on the outside. Westerner, When It Rains, It Pours, and Blaster. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line is still Jacqueline's Diamond by 3.5 lengths, followed by My Wife Knows All. And finally, at the payoff line, it's entry number 2, Jacqueline's Diamond, My Wife Knows All, When It Rains, It Pours, Blaster, and Westerner.
Numero 2, ang unang tumawid sa linya. At pinakita niya kung bakit siya yung nanalo dun sa karera.